It wasn't until early last year that I discovered the Loewe brand. So my friend Jelly was telling me about a bag on her wish list, and then I kept seeing this brand on K-dramas such as What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, Record of Youth, and then Penthouse, Shim Suryeon. That's where I really fell in love with the bag. But nonetheless, Loewe has been around since 1864. And then in 2014, I believe, was when J.W. Anderson, their new creative director, launched the puzzle bag. So this bag has been on my radar since early last year. Like I said, I wanted to specifically get the mini size because I felt like the small was, while small is the ideal size in terms of how much it can fit in the bag, I already felt like my Speedy 25 was around that size. So I wanted something that's mini that I could use when I'm traveling and whatnot. And I'll talk about all the features of why I actually landed on this bag. I'm not supposed to be getting this bag until my birthday, which is 2 months from now. My sister sent me a link to Neiman Marcus and now it's here. I'm sure you already know what I got because of course from the title of this video. But anyway, here is the box. I couldn't help myself but open the box right away as soon as it arrived today. It just arrived earlier this afternoon, and of course I'm super excited, so I had to film an unboxing video. So like I said, I got this bag from Neiman Marcus, and one of the cons in buying from a department store is that it doesn't come with the beautiful packaging that it usually comes in, like the boxes, the paper bag, like the branded paper bag. But it's fine. As long as the bag's fine, we're good. So that's one of the cons that I've noticed. But the pro is it's easier to return items. So there's no Loewe store nearby or a department store nearby that carries this particular bag, so I've never tried it on. It was also one of the reasons why I bought it from Neiman Marcus. That way, if I don't like it or if it doesn't fit right on me, I could always just return it. They have a very convenient return policy. So now let's take off all the tissue. Okay, so here it is. So I personally love small, unique, structured pieces, which is why I went for the mini puzzle bag. I love the fact that when you look at it, it's not a lot of other brands have the same style because that whole look is unique to Loewe. I love this flap over here, and while you think that it may be difficult to get into the purse, the material is really soft, so it's easy to pull that flap up and reach into the purse. So let's take out the items inside. There we go. So it comes with a detachable strap, and we'll put that on later. But first, let's look at the entire bag. So I love that it has a top handle, so you can carry it as a handbag or like on the curve of your arm as well. And one of the unique structures of this Loewe puzzle bag is how it slouches in the middle. So once you have your items inside the bag, there's like a little slouch right here where you can, like I said, put the crook of your arm. At first, when I opened it, I felt like, oh, that looks so tiny. But looking at it now, I think it's the perfect size, especially for my height. I'm 5'2". I think it's not overwhelming, especially with the colors that I got. And while I'm a sucker for neutral colors that will go with everything, I felt like I needed to add a little bit of color to my collection, so this is the perfect piece. While it's very loud and colorful, bright colors, it's in a small amount or in a small dose. That way it's not as overwhelming. I see myself wearing this with a lot of different pieces of clothing. Like it can go with a neutral black look, a neutral white look, or even match it with the colors, or like a green. I can wear a green dress, a blue or red, or even a pink to match the different colors of this bag. I feel like it will add a nice pop of color to my outfit and a lot of character when I'm, you know, feeling a little down. It's just such a happy color, which is why I think I'm in love. So this is called the Zigzag Multicolor Mini Puzzle Bag. This is in their classic calf skin material, and then I love the fact that it has stitching all over those little details around the bag, which I feel like makes it more unique. You know, the puzzle bag is already a unique piece in itself, and all those little details is just adding more to it. So here is the strap. It is very thin, and it's not my favorite just because it's not adjustable, but it will do. It has some Loewe engraving on the hooks as well, and then we'll just have to put this on right here. There's no like specific hook where to attach the crossbody strap, but you're just kind of like putting it there. And there we go. So here is how it looks. Ooh, I also love the fact that they put this long tab right here to make it easier for you to open the bag and zip it open. You also can see the embossed or the bossed logo right here, and that's the only logo they have aside from the branding on the clasps. So when we open it, this is how wide it can open, even if there's a flap right here. Another reason why I got this is I thought it would be the perfect travel bag. You know, sometimes you forget to zip your purse, and I love the fact that it has that extra layer of security right here, so people can't really see what's inside. Instead of, you know, a regular camera bag where the zipper is exposed, this one has that extra amount of security, and if you forget to close your bag, it's still secured like that. But at the same time, it's not that difficult to reach in because the leather is very soft. It's not too stiff, so it's very easy to grab your stuff whenever you need them. Let me take out the card. So it comes with, of course, the tag, and then I think this is the care card right here. Inside, it's just one big pocket. There's no like side pockets or anything like that. I don't think an organizer will fit into this, but small pouches will probably do, and we'll try that on later. But yeah, that is the Loewe mini puzzle bag. Here is the back as well. No pockets, like I said, it's just one big zipper compartment inside, and yeah, so far I am loving this bag. Now let's look at what can fit inside the mini puzzle bag. As you can see, for size comparison, here is the Toilet 319 and here is the Loewe mini puzzle bag. They're kind of the same size in terms of, you know, how much you can put in it. I think the Loewe, as you can see, has more depth than the Toilet 319, but the Toilet 319 is much more taller. I see a lot of comparisons of this Loewe mini puzzle bag with the Nano Speedy, but I don't have that bag at the moment, so we're just using my Toilet 319 to compare sizes. Alright, so let's see what can fit in this bag. Okay, so like I said, I don't think it can fit an organizer. So what I'm gonna do is just start putting in all of my things in order of, you know, when I think I'll be taking them out. This is a spare mask that I usually have in my pouch in case I forget to bring a mask. Put that at the back. My power bank. Of course, my wallet. I'm a fan of small bags, hence I'm also a fan of small wallets, like a card holder. There we go. And then my sunscreen that I always carry around. Alcohol. USB cable for my phone. Extra hand sanitizers. Okay. My roller ball. Can it fit standing up? Yup, it can fit standing up. Lipstick. I have one more lipstick right here, but I think it's getting pretty stuffy in there, so I'm not gonna carry this. And then my hand lotion. Just gonna put that right there. It's already stuffed, as you can see. So I don't think I can fit in my medicine pouch as well, because that's a lot. I may have to, you know, just carry a few of the medicine whenever I am gonna use this bag. But yeah, that is everything that I can fit in there. Will it fit my phone? So I have an iPhone 12, just the regular size. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this out. I don't usually put my phone in my bag anyway, but let's see. That is pretty stuffed. Maybe if I take off the pop socket. Let's see. Okay, there we go. I feel like I should have put my phone in first. There we go. As you can see, it can comfortably fit an iPhone 12. Like I said, it's in the regular size. So let's put the hand lotion in. Okay. And I think with the phone in there, it's really stuffed. But you can still close it. And it looks like that. So it packs a lot of items. It's small, but it's mighty. It packs all of the essentials for me. And like I said, I don't usually put my phone in my purse, so I'm just gonna take that one out. And there we have it. That's everything that fits in the Loewe mini puzzle bag. I showed you guys what can fit in the purse. I'm gonna show you how I plan to style this bag. So like I said, it will be the perfect bag to add a pop of color to your outfit. So right now I'm just wearing this black top, black bottoms, and the loewe puzzle bag is the perfect addition to add a pop of something, as you can see. The perfect way to carry this is as a crossbody like this. You could also carry it as a handbag or on the crook of your arm, like I said. Okay, now we have the simple white dress, and again, add a pop of color using the zigzag mini puzzle bag. Here is how it looks with something that's more colorful. So I'm wearing this green dress, and as you can see, that green, while it's not a perfect match, it doesn't look that bad too because it is in such a small amount. Like the different colors, I feel like it just ties the whole look together. And again, at the crook of the arm, it's just so cute, and yeah, just add something. Alright, so that is it for today's video. If you have any specific questions on the Loewe mini puzzle bag, please comment it down below and I'll make sure that I answer them. But yeah, I'm super excited to put this bag to the test and share with you guys what I think about it after a year or so. I'm super excited to use it. It's my first piece from the Loewe brand. I finally get to tick the puzzle bag off of my bag wish list. Super excited for this. I'm curious to see what you guys think, as well as what's next on your wish list, because I do have the Lady Dior on my wish list up next. I know it's much more expensive than this bag, so it's gonna wait a while. Like I said, I'm so in love with this mini puzzle bag, and the multicolor piece just adds a little bit of life to my very neutral bag collection right here. Super excited to use this and put it to the test. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it provided a lot of information for you guys, whether or not you would like to add the mini puzzle bag to your collection. Once again, this is Eunice. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!